My name is Walter Wanyanya. I'm an artist manager. I run a business called Ngoma Osho. I was managing Dr Mtukudzi for the last 4 years up until his passing. It's not for the camera. Wow. I think Huma Sekela and Dr Mtukudzi, they were different. They were literally different in character, black and white, but they were the same. I don't know if that makes sense. It was like kind of yin and yang. I wouldn't trade it for anything, you know. It's something to be able to say that you work with two icons like that, you know, and having to also be able to work with other artists that I'm working with today. It's a privilege. Every day, I miss them every day. I miss the jokes. They had like huge, amazing sense of humor. I miss their jokes. I miss spending time with them. I miss traveling with them. I miss eating, having lunch, and spending time with them. Every song that he would play, it's not like he planned it. He would just play one song after the other from the top of his head. So every single show was different. So because every single show was different, he believed in getting energy and getting inspiration from the crowd. So if he played a certain song and you were at that particular concert, it's probably because of you. It's not because of him. It's not because he planned to say, okay, he came and said, okay, I'm going to play Neri, I'm going to play Todi, I'm going to play Tozeza Baba, I'm going to play, that kind of thing. He never had a list. So he was always keen to perform for Zimbabweans outside of Zim when he got an opportunity to, because obviously people miss home, and he brought a bit of home with him every time he got on stage. And some people haven't been back home in 20 years. Some people have been home in 10 years. So when they see Tuku on stage, it's as if they've gone back home for a little bit, even if it's for an hour. And I think the work that Mkomafred is doing out there is really important and critical for a lot of people, that the Zimbabweans that go to those events, and also the Zimbabwean artists that perform there. It's like a reunion, everybody in the UK gets together, and the artists also get to perform for their countrymen. It's an amazing thing, and it's something that's encouraged, and I think that it's initiatives like that need for us to continue to support.